Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Incerunmen video. This is the third installment out of my Incerunmen saga, and I'm super excited because I have another package here, guys, full of stuff that, I'm gonna be honest, I kind of forgot what is in here. So this is gonna be a very fun video, a surprise for us both. And we're not only going to be unboxing these, I'm gonna do a try on. So you're gonna visually get to see the fit. And that's something a lot of you guys kind of wonder. I get a lot of questions asking about Incerunmen's sizing and if they fit true to size and how that works. So I'm here to give you my honest opinion. That's all I ever provide in this channel. But of course, companies like this, fast fashion, we all wonder like if the products are legit, you know, that whole like internet versus reality type situation. That happens a lot. So that's what I'm here for. And I am gonna give you a brutally honest review, like my other Incerunmen videos, of course. Who is Incerunmen? In case you're unfamiliar with this brand, they are a very hyper trendy company, in my opinion. I feel like their looks are kind of like beyond what is regularly available for guys. And I kind of love that. Honestly, I really love that. There's limitations that a lot of brands have when it comes to men's fashion. So Incerunmen typically thinks outside the box, and that's something that really drives me to keep wanting to work with them. And in this right here, if I can remember what I ordered, there's some stuff that are really gonna challenge me with getting outside my comfort zone. But with that being said, if you are interested in my Incerunmen experience, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. Aside from an honest review, I'm gonna try to make this as quick and as entertaining as possible. So let's get to it. Let's unbox this Incerunmen package. So this is how it arrived. Very simple packaging, just a white, you know, parcel like this. And yeah, we're gonna take these out seriously and try them on according to like what we pull out. So first thing here is this. Okay, I remember ordering this. This is an absolutely beautiful lace tank top, and I feel like lace and like crochet stuff is super in right now. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely beyond what I was expecting. The colors, it's like this baby blue and this baby pink, and it feels very freaking like good quality. I'm not gonna lie, like this feels durable and very not flimsy like you would think lace might be, you know? But this is a size medium. That's how it looks here. But check out the detail. That is gorgeous. And it's see-through, you know what I mean? If you want to be a little scandalous, this is definitely a great piece to have, but I'm for sure gonna be rocking it this summer. Let's not speak too quick. Let's try it on first. This top is so cool, you guys. I absolutely love the fit. So size medium fits me absolutely perfect. That's like my go-to size when it comes to tops. And this does not disappoint. I feel like I'm gonna style this a certain way. I kind of like the idea of having it like tucked in. So I'm probably gonna do that. But lengthwise, if not like a tucking in type person, length is pretty good. And it feels really nice in the skin. If you're wondering like how see-through it is, I mean, it's transparent, but it's not like super, you know, exposing, if that makes any sense. Like you can see a little bit through, but it's not like a mesh style shirt. So I like that. Next up in the package is, what is this? I believe this is actually another top. So I didn't see it before, but this is how they come packaged right here, like this plastic envelope. But I believe this is a meshy type of top, and I actually reviewed several of these from Incerunmen, and I have to say I love them, and they are really true to size with their fit. Yeah, this is it. This is really sick. I like how it looks Baroque in a way, like very Baroque style, you know what I mean, like this. I don't know why I'm envisioning that, but I am. And it's super cool. I love the coloring. It's kind of like a muted looking yellow in a way. Hopefully this looks good on me, because horizontal stripes on a thin man is not it. But there's only one way to find out. All right, so here we go with this one. I'm a little bit mixed with how I feel about it. just given the visual, but let's see how it fits, how it looks. Okay. Alright, this is actually really cool. It fits super tight on the sleeves, which is normal for, I feel like, Incerunmen's style shirts like this. But, wow. Alright, this is neat. These, like, structures on here and the whole, like, whatever you want to call this style really does pop. And it's a little see-through. I'm sure, like, with certain lighting you could see it. But for the most part, I mean, this is pretty cool. Probably not with these pants. Also, these style shirts I like to tuck in as well, just because it looks a little weird when it's not tucked in. For me, personally, my standards. But it is a really good looking shirt and it fits comfortably. I do also want to say I always air dry my Incerunmen stuff that I do not want to shrink. So keep that in mind during your Incerunmen experience. But for the most part, air dry. It's not that hard, guys. Hang it up and you're good. And this is most definitely one of those pieces where I feel like if I was to pop this thing in the dryer, it would be like munchkin size. So not doing that. Moving on to yet another piece. And here we have, I believe these are shorts. And this is me getting us out of my comfort zone because typically, guys, I like to wear like shorts. Like shorts for me, I like them a little bit right there. I don't like them baggy. I don't like cargo shorts. It's not the vibe for me. It's not my thing. But these are longer, and I've also been seeing like a lot of guys on TikTok where they are quite long shorts. So not for an everyday look of mine, but for certain looks, perhaps I feel like this might look cool. I like the material though. It's like very soft. It's a little heavy for like a summertime short, but probably good for the evening, I would say. This is a size small, and I am a size like 29, 30 in like pants. So hopefully these fit. Typically with Incerunmen, like their pant sizes are true to size, except for one pair of pants I got. They were like bigger, but I, on average, have a really good experience with Incerunmen pants. So let's give these a go. I can honestly say I've never tried on a pair of shorts quite like this before, but they're really cool. And one feature that I really like, as you can see, there are two little buttons right here. You could actually make these tighter, which clearly I appreciate because if you haven't noticed, they look a little big on me. At least I think so. I like my stuff to look a little bit more not bunched up, but maybe it's not that bad. This is the full look right here. I'm not trying to match my socks, so don't freaking judge me. This is a 360 moments, but the length isn't as long as I was expecting. There's still like brushing up above the knee, but the color is gorgeous, and I have to say, I'm probably gonna be wearing these often this summer. They're pretty cool. Well, that was interesting. Yeah, we have two more pieces in this package right here, so let's get to it. Let's get to the finale after this piece. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot what this is. So let's see. It feels very soft. Is this pants? No, oh my goodness. This is a vest. Okay, so I was eyeing this up on Incerunmen's website. I feel like it looked very like modern in a way, and I have khakis from Incerunmen in this exact shade right here. So I feel like I could put together kind of like a monochromatic look in a way. And this is weird. Are you seeing this? What? Oh, okay. There is a button right here. So basically you button these up. Okay, so this is the vest right here, and it's totally outside the norm of my style, but it looks really cool. It's kind of like futuristic in a way. I like how the side is exposed, and this is the back. Honestly, it looks really great with this outfit right here. This is a pretty cool, like, put together look. I do, on the other hand, want to wear this with a pair of khakis. maybe this is a little bit darker. Are these the same shade? Are they the same shade? Are they cut from the same cloth? I don't know, but I really thought like this would be a cool summer look. It's a lot of beige going on. That's a lot of beige there, but it's still pretty sick. I don't know, honestly. This comes in 2 other colors, and I kind of want the other colors now. The finale, we have one more piece from Incerunmen to check out today, guys. Hopefully you're enjoying this experience, and I know that these pieces are probably not everyone's cup of tea, but I really do have fun checking out Incerunmen. Okay, so these are a pair of pants, and I thought these were very unique for one reason. Pinstripes are coming back in, guys. Pinstripes are, to me, a very, like, preppy aesthetic, and of course that's totally my vibe. One side of these pants are pinstripe, the other is obviously solid, and I think that is so unique, very cool. Hopefully it's reading well on the camera, but I absolutely love that. And clearly, like, navy blue is just like a timeless shade, so I think this is gonna go with a lot, including this outfit right here. Like, I would wear this with just like a tank or pretty much anything, and that is so cool. I love it. I can't wait to try these on. Okay, I absolutely love these pants. Look how cool they are. They're just so unique. Like, one side is pinstripe, other side is solid. They say 360 well if you guys want to get a full view, but wow, they fit amazingly. So again, these are a size small, and one feature that I noticed, I'm like, what is this? There's 2 buttons right here. So I don't know if like you could use one to tie in if you need it even more smaller. I'm sure you could probably do that, like, if you need to, but they just fit amazingly. So I definitely rate these a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna be wearing these quite often this summer. And whenever, because honestly, these are kind of like timeless. Alright guys, that is a wrap for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed my Incerunmen experience. I have a lot of fun working with this brand because honestly, Incerunmen helps push me outside my comfort zone and really intrigues me with a lot of trendy, which I know we frown upon fast fashion, but I'm not the type of person that wears something once, tosses it. You'll see me repeat things repeatedly on my socials, which, by the way, follow my Instagram at @𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, that is me. And I like to, incorporate pieces in several looks. So I encourage you to do the same, okay? It's super important, guys. Gotta be sustainable. But Incerunmen is a very fun brand. Again, George15 will get you 15% off your purchase. Check them out, and if I inspired you to perhaps maybe check out one of these pieces or this brand in general, let me know. And if you have any questions, sound off in the comment section down below or DMs on Instagram, whatever works best for you. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, again, please subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. Do not forget to click the notification bell. That will notify you whenever I upload new videos. And until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.